Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make some delicious chipotle chicken patties. I hope you like them. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a food processor, we're going to place the chicken. Remember, the chicken is already cooked and shredded. We're going to blend it for a few seconds until it looks kind of like a pate. Once it's ready, we're going to place it in a large bowl, and this is how it looks, like a puree or a pate. Now into this mixture, we will also add in 1/4 cup of flour plus 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. To this we will also add in 1 egg together with the minced garlic, the chopped cilantro and the chopped green onion. Also adding the mayonnaise and the chipotles in adobo. I'm adding 1/4 cup of chipotles in adobo sauce, and as you can see, the chipotles are still whole. I'm just going to shred them with my fingers a little bit. Now we're going to mix everything together until everything is well combined. Then season this with salt and pepper to taste. Give it another stir until everything is well seasoned, and then taste the flavor. Add more salt and pepper if needed, and once you're happy with the flavor, now we can make the patties, and you can make them any size that you want. Just grab some of the chicken mixture and roll it with your hands, and then flatten it up a little bit to make the patty, and just keep on repeating these steps until you have all the patties done. And once they are ready, this is how they look. Now we're going to freeze them for 30 minutes. Now preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, we're going to place the leftover egg, and we're going to season it with salt and pepper. Also adding 2 tablespoons of water. Then stir together until the egg is well beaten, and then set it aside. Now in a large plate, we're going to add in the leftover flour. And then in another plate, we're going to place the leftover panko breadcrumbs. And this is how the patties look like after 30 minutes in the freezer. Now we're going to cover them with the flour. Make sure they are well coated with the flour on all sides. Then dip them into the egg mixture. And again, make sure the patties are well covered with the egg mixture on all sides. Then shake them a little bit to remove the excess egg. And then we're going to transfer them into the panko breadcrumbs. We're going to cover the patties with the panko breadcrumbs on all sides. And just keep on doing this until you have all the patties ready. Remember, first we're going to cover them with the flour, then we're going to dip them in the egg mixture, and then we're going to cover them with the panko breadcrumbs. Once they are done, now we're going to place them on a baking sheet. My baking sheet is lined with parchment paper for easy cleaning, and I'm just going to place the patties on the baking sheet, then spray them with cooking spray, and now we're going to cook them at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are nice and golden brown on all sides. And after 20 minutes, this is how they look. As you can see, they are nice and golden brown, and they look amazing. Now I'm going to serve them with white rice and a very simple salad with lettuce, tomatoes, corn kernels and green onions, and that's about it. They are so delicious. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!